Hello everyone. Today I want to show you in SPSS how you can obtain the normality of the continuous variables. So normality is a condition, it's almost for all analysis. You have to provide if the continuous variable is normally distributed. So this is a very essential operation you have to do. So for that, first you will check that the variables are scale variables, so continuous variables. We have here the several scale variables. So we will use the one of them. For instance, we will have a university GPA. If this variable, I mean the data is normally distributed, we have to know about that. So you can go for analyze and then descriptive statistics, and then you go to explore and you will put that variable you want to find the normality, the GPA, and then the dependent list. And when you check the statistics, they will show the different options. So the default is descriptive, and then you can just continue here, and then the plot. Here, normally we use the histogram, so you can check out the stem and leaf, and also normality plot with test. So that will be the KS test, and also the another test. You will have the two tests about the normality, so you will check that. Continue, and then options. In fact, that is the default, so it's okay. So here now you can click the OK, and the output will be generated. So you can see the output dimension. They have the all participant number, and then you will have the descriptive. So here in the descriptive, first you can check it's normally distributed or not by skewness and the kurtosis. So normally the skewness and kurtosis shows that the graph is negatively or positively skewed, or the kurtosis shows that the graph is a flat or it's very high graph. I mean the curve is very high. So this is normally between 1.5 and 3, that is highly skewed, and the cortex also is a leptocortic or the platycortic. But this one is not over than 1. So normally this should be the normally distributed. This is a good sign. And then we check also test of normality. So in KS test and also Shapiro-Wilk, this test shows that the significance level, the value, is less than 0.05. So this means the significant. Significant means that that is not normally distributed. So to be normally distributed, we should have the significance level is greater than 0.05. So this one is evidently that is significant. So that means that it's not normally distributed. So this significance is a bit different from the other inferential statistics. So you should be careful. This one normally to obtain the normality should not be significant. This means it's greater than 0.05. And now we can have another evidence with the histogram. So in this histogram, you can see that it's a bit skewed negatively. This one is negatively skewed. So the scores are positioned in the higher part, higher score part. So when you double click this, another window will open, and then you can now draw the normality line. So normal, and then you can close. And now you can draw the line of the normality. So when you check the output now, in your output now the line is drawn. So this is a bit skewed, not too much. So yeah, that is. And then yeah, this is another dimension of the like a visual thing. So the histogram, that is the most commonly used. But also you can see that in this line, they are a bit far from the line. That means they are a bit not very normally distributed. There is a sign. And then this is also, they should be the balanced, but it's also that is not really balanced. Like so, in fact, this graph and this graph goes hand in hand. And now we have some outliers. but they are not extreme outliers. When there is extreme outliers, you will see the like asterisk the sign. So that is only a bit slightly lower than the minimum line. So that is some outliers. So the explorer function shows like these different aspects of the normality, and then you will decide if you will go for the normally distributed or not. But about the test of normality, this is a very rigorous test, so it's difficult to have the significance level greater than 0.05. So you have to decide the normality. In fact, the integrating the all different aspects. Descriptive table that is not greater than 1.5, and then yeah, the normality test was not a it shows that this was not normally distributed, but this one is a very rigorous test. And the histogram, you can see that this is almost close to the normal line, just a bit skewed in the negatively. And then this is also almost all points are on the line. And then you have the outliers, but they are not extreme scores. So we can make a decision of this. This variable of GPA is normally distributed, and you can proceed with the inferential statistics. Thank you. Bye.